Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Today's video is going to be on this 4th of July America-inspired makeup look. I was feeling fun, I was feeling festive. I thought this was super cute for 4th of July. So this is the look that I came up with. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then please keep watching. So the first thing we're going to be using today is the MAC Cosmetics Painterly Paint Pot. We're going to be using this to prime our eyelids to ensure that our eyeshadow stays all day, all night, sweat proof, bulletproof, you name it, it's not coming off. So we're priming from eyelid to brow bone. I'm then just going to set the crease of my eye with the Ben Nye Natural Set Colorless Powder. I like to set the crease of the eye just to make my transition color blend beautifully, especially when you're doing a really dramatic type of look. This just ensures that your transition color is flawless. Okay, so I can explain. This palette is my favorite. Hands down. If you couldn't tell, I'm obsessed with this palette. Like, it's so dirty. But this palette is amazing. It's so bomb. So today, we're going to be using this color right here, and this is going to be going in the crease of our eye as our transition color. Windshield wiper motions, windshield wiper motions. As I'm putting this in the crease, I'm also blending upwards just to make sure everything is super smoky and not all in just one place. Next color we'll be going in with is this one right here, and this is going to go directly into the crease. This color I'm keeping nice and tight in the crease. I'm not really blending it upwards, and I'm also using a smaller brush just to have more control. First color on our lid today is going to be this shade of red right here. We're just going to be applying this all over the lid. To add a little bit more pizzazz, we're going to be going in with this shimmering red right here, and we're going to be going all over the lid again. Just a little MAC Fix Plus. Oh yeah, this is a fun color. I'm kind of obsessed with Jaclyn Hill and her collaboration on this palette. I'm so excited for the vault to come out. Oh, girl, I can't wait. I'm like living for the vault. I'm just gonna go in and apply my lashes. You know, my favorites, the Ardell Glamours. They're my babies. They going on my eyelids today. So now that the eyes are finished, I also went in with a liner. This is the CoverGirl Get In Line liner in black. Love this liner, and I just lined my lash line. Next, I'm going to be priming the skin. This is the CoverGirl Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion, and this is in shade Daybreak. I love luminous looks for the summer. I just want to glow all day, every day. So I'm just going to be adding a little bit to my face. Pretty. I've actually worn this out with no foundation before, and it makes your skin so pretty. Like, you just look like a goddess, like a healthy, glowing goddess. I forgot to dip in my beauty sponges. So this is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. I love this foundation. If you go on my channel, you can see a full review on it when I unboxed it from CoverGirl. They were so gracious to send me every color, and I'm so grateful. Thank you again, CoverGirl. I love this foundation. So I'm going to be mixing the color M20 and L40 together for my foundation today. Told you guys I keep it real, and I literally mix so many things on Pyrex storage lids. I just can't help it. I just can't help it. So I'm just gonna mix this concoction together. Yes. Look at that shade match. Sorry, it looks so crazy. I'm gonna blend it out, I promise. God. I promise. So going in with a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend my foundation out. So I was blowing on my eyelash before, and the glue was still wet, and it literally like went all over my lip. I don't even know how. Like, I can't even explain it. It went all over my lip and I was like, ugh. So I wiped it off and I literally can still feel it. It's not even there. Like, I'm looking in the mirror and it's not even there, but I feel it. Like, I'm like, and it's sticking together. That's how you know it's a good lash glue. These bad boys are not coming off. Now that our foundation is all blended out, I'm going to be going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. You know how I feel about this concealer. I'm obsessed. I just think that this is the best concealer in the entire world. I mean, you could not sleep for days. Days! It would cover up bags upon bags upon bags. It's just amazing. So I just highlighted underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my forehead. The point of highlighting is so that you are bringing light to all these places. So these are all places that I want to be bright and to stand out. I'm then just going to blend this out with an EcoTools beauty sponge. Then using a different EcoTools beauty sponge and my Ben Nye setting powder, I'm just going to set everywhere that I just highlighted. It's super important to set everywhere that you highlighted because you don't want to put the work in and then have it crease or have it get destroyed in a couple hours. You want to make sure that this isn't moving on you. I mean, it's like going to work and not getting paid. Why would you do it? You wouldn't. Set, 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 dab, 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 set, 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 dab, 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 dab. We're just gonna let this sit for a couple minutes and let this really bake into where we highlighted. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder and just lightly dusting this around the rest of my face. This is the loose setting powder. I can't decide if I like the loose setting powder better or the pressed setting powder. I've used the pressed one for a really long time and I recently just picked this one up. I think I liked the pressed better. I can't decide. They're both really good. Like, this is a phenomenal powder. I just can't tell which way I like it better. I think I like it pressed. I have more control over it when it's pressed. Presto changeo, where are my eyebrow? Oh, let there be eyebrows. I promise you that video is coming soon. Next, we're gonna contour with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Really just want to get that sculpted look for 4th of July. Show America what's up, you know? So I'm just going in and contouring my cheekbones, the tops of my forehead, and then I'm also going to do my nose. Another palette that is the hottest of the hottest messes. This is the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm going to be going in with this shade right here and deepening up that contour a little bit. For blush today, I'm going to be going in with the NARS blush in the color Unlawful. We're going to go back in and finish up the eyes. We're going to do our lower lash line with this beautiful blue shade right here. Merca. And the hope of the brave. To highlight our inner corners, so we have red, white, and blue, we're going to be going in with the Ofra Cosmetics Glazed Donut Highlighter. This was a collaboration with Nikki Tutorials, the goddess of highlight, and I live for this highlighter. Also going to be using this highlight to highlight my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and above my brow bone. To line my lips, I'm going to be going in with Sephora's mini lip liner in the color Rose. Did you hear that screaming child in my apartment hallway? Oh my god. I hope my camera didn't pick up on that. For lippy today, I'm going to be using the CoverGirl Melting Pout Matte, and this is in the shade All Nighter. I'm then just going to be coating my bottom lashes with the MAC Cosmetics False Lashes Mascara. To ensure that our makeup lasts throughout the entire barbecue and all of 4th of July, we're going to be setting it. And today I'm going to be setting it with the CoverGirl Look Lockup All Day Setting Mist. Barbecuing all day, girl. Keep spraying. So this is the final result. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below. And until next time, I will see you guys soon.